Oh, cool. Now we don't. Come on. You stay one place. Stay one place, also. No, do a favor. Stay one place. Vada. It's not hot. Increase it. Sharp. Drop it there now. You want to make it to wake up?
I can't wake up now.
Unscripted. Today is December 24th, 2025. The Christmas Eve. Whew. Wow. We thank God. We thank God for today. We thank God for this year 2025. It was quite a ride. I know. I lost some persons this week, like people that I know, not family, but we have crossed paths. Elderly people. One died 2 days ago with 3 little children. Another one died, very rich man, wealthy man, and died. But another one is going to die today, and I'm not going to feel bad about it. That's the chicken. Chicken gonna die today. The moment we have been waiting for. So should we kill this one? Or should we kill this one?
This one.
Or should we kill this one?
No, that one's too big.
Or should we kill the kiwi?
No.
Slaughter! Everything. Zwan. So, this is the okoko.
I don't see knife.
Una, find the knife. This is the okoko we're going to kill. The okoko. They are being hydrated. Hydration for death. Hydration to die. I guess that's the reason they have attitude, because they know that 247 they are very close to death. So their shakara, the shenanigans, it's too much.
Blood.
Where are we going to position it now? Where? This side? Yeah? It's my splash. It's not splash. Are we digging hole?
Yes. Make it stop, not there now.
Where?
There.
That one is too close to the wall now. No, let's come out a bit. Let's around this side. Yes.
Digging hole for your blood.
Now watch how your fellow mates die and prepare for your own. Very soon.
This one should not prepare for you because the one is next year.
It's not next, it's like 30th.
No.
Yes, now.
No.
It's not 1st of January. Have you seen me kill anything 1st of January? It's a day too now. The whole never do okay.
It's not okay.
Ah,
it's okay now.
you want to bury the chicken? Okay, carry far. Where is the far? Which one?
This one now.
Oh yeah, carry it.
This one think that they want to kill him.
Carry it, sir.
This is not how to carry foul. This is how to carry foul. Yeah, wait.
Hey, Odogu.
Leave it.
Oh God, this is my tax. Shift this one. Shift this one. Yeah, easy. Position it. Come. Shift this one. I think that you will like press. Use your leg. Yeah. Drop this one on the ground. Lie it down. Use your leg and hold it. Yes, like yeah. I'm a director. I'm not that bad. Looking at what you're doing. So raise the neck. Yes. Raise the neck. Are you? Video me well. Let people know that I'm the one killing the chicken. Yes. Wow.
You cut.
Where? Yeah? Where's that thing up, also?
Remove this thing. The head. So that you see the neck.
Oh yeah, remove it now.
So I have to drag this. Okay, now I'm able to do it.
Maybe you should press this one's feather down. So. Okay. Come on, die. Yeah.
No go.
Never do.
No. No, I'm still a small boy. Like cut.
Oh yeah.
Is that what?
Get ready for the magic. Hey, how do they kill you, Abby? Die! Die! It's not dying. Die! Oh! Yes! Go there! Go there! Go there! Ah! Oh, this is not dying. Hold this thing again. Is it not this place? Okay, look at the injury. Look at the injury. Chukwemeke, are you doing this thing? Are you recording? Raise it up, so they see that. I mean,
Blood that starts.
yeah, okay. Yeah, hold it. Let me do it. Yeah, Abi. Ah! Cool! Yay! Again. Go. Die by fire.
Die by fire. You will. Think you strong past me.
You think you can do it? Did you? Die!
My body.
Video me.
My body.
Yes.
You're telling me die. You're telling me die. Better you stay one.
I did it. Hey!
I have
yeah, inside basin.
this thing.
Yes.
Like.
Inside basin.
Where's hot water?
It's on fire. Yeah. What are you still doing?
I cannot fly. Yeah, but if not, I leave it that time that he 1 week will move. You'll fly.
What? Die. Just give up. Give up.
Look at blood.
Let it go. Let it just
Blood of the chicken.
let it just go.
Nothing touch you.
Let it just go.
Look at the blood of the chicken.
Let it just go. Now no, come on. We stay one place. Stay one place, sir. No, do it for you. Stay one place. Vada, rubbish. Look at it. Now no do. Go.
What are you still doing now?
Chukwemeke, can check that hot water, I beg. If it's not hot, increase it. Sharp. Drop it there now. You want to make it to wake up?
I cannot wake up now. Wait.
Leave it alone.
This is still alive.
Turn it over. Then so that when hot water comes in now like this, you do like this. Take it down so hot water can touch it. Take it down now. The way you kept it at first was okay. It's okay like this. Hey. We kill this now.
If they do this thing now, if they
That
say
shot,
this thing now, this
it's
one
not
that
you.
one
You
hand
have to use a
your
sharp
own
knife
two hand
and do
is
it. Chaka. With all strength and energy. Thank God this knife is sharp.
I have luck.
Die by fire. Fire it. That is how. Come on, you get it. You have to die too. We'll die during the weekend. Now the problem with the environmental fire is that their main food, fowl food don't finish. So it's leftover. So as we're enjoying, this ones are enjoying to die. Preparing to die. Enjoying to die. Hey! December is sweet. So more clean chicken. Coming real soon. But the thing is that there's a tendency that we'll kill two on the same day. Or we should space it. Which one? Should we do the spacing? I feel so satisfied. But how did they kill human beings? Because we kill a chicken alone. Means I'm a nice person, a very kind person. God. The fun in doing this scream and everything. Amazing. He decided to use bed sheets to pack it. Just on the this thing. This thing does not need too much hot water. Just spread this side. Oh yeah. The leg sharp. Yeah, head. Quick. It's okay. Rest. Oh yeah, drop it, though. We have to remove it from hot water because except it will start cooking on its own. The thing will just start cooking. So, find where to hold it now. Like this. Want to hold it from the neck?
No. Blood.
Oh yeah, remove this hot water fast. Put it on top, inside this bucket. Quick. Oh yeah, take it down. Oh yeah, let's get to it now. So that it will not be, if it's too soft, you get tired of it. Like, the skin will start peeling off. But if it's old layer, pour enough hot water inside. Sharp. See, that's why I need clean hands. So this thing will be going. Pour that in water where now? You bathing baby?
Don't go kick me over.
100 million naira. Buy this and chop to your heart's content. It doesn't finish. This is endless chicken. Guy, respect yourself. You're still stubborn. This one like this.
Show them
1 million.
Show them the meat. Oh, budget.
Okay.
A chicken with that head and with
Keep
that
this
leg.
one down.
You also break it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes. We're gonna chop ladders.